Died.
Okay, right, in this particular video what we're going to be looking at is the area of trapezium. So we're looking at exercise 7. We're looking at the area of a trapezium. Okay, so here's an example. Now, in the trapezium, these two arrows here indicate that these two are the parallel sides. That's important because the area of a trapezium is equal to A at B divided by 2 times by H. Now, A and B refer to the parallel sides, so we now need to label A and B. So I'm just going to call the top one A and the bottom one B. It doesn't really matter which one you call A and B, are these two. And the height here is the 5 centimeters. That is the height. So now we have all our values, we can put them into the formula. So I'm just going to emphasize it by putting a red around it. So the area is equal to the A value is 2, plus the B value, which is 6, divide that by 2, and then times it by the height. So in the calculator, we are going to use the fraction button, write on 2, add 6. As we see it here, we can put it in and press the replay button at the end, bring the cursor down to 2, press replay again, brings it back up again, times by 5. And that will give us an answer of 20 centimeters squared. Okay, now in terms of trapezium question, this is like one of the standard questions where you have the trapezium facing this way around. But the trapezium can be in many disguises. It can be sideways, completely sideways, it can be upside down. It doesn't really matter which way the trapezium is, as long as you recognize which are the parallel sides and which one is the height. Okay, let's do one more for good measure. Let's do this next one. Okay, so here's the next question. So now in this particular question, they haven't given us an indication which one of the parallel sides apart from these right angles in the corners, which they themselves indicate that these are at 90 degrees to this line. So these two sides have to be the parallel sides, those which are indicated by the right angles. Okay, so I'm going to label this side as my A, this one as my B, and this height in between the two parallel sides is definitely going to be the height. Okay, so we're going to write down our formula again. So the formula is area is equal to the parallel sides, which is A and B, parallel sides, divided by 2 times by the height. So we said area is equal to A, 4.5, add 6.5 divided by 2 times by the height. Okay, and then we just throw all of this stuff into the calculator. So we have here, use the fraction button and type in as we see here. So 4.5 add 6.5, use the replay button, bring it down.
2.
Okay, divided by 2. Now we need to press replay button again to bring it back up. And then it's going to be times by the height, which is 4. Press equal, and that will give us an answer of 22 meters squared. Thank you very much for joining us on these questions. The students are now going to practice some of the questions, and then we'll come back to you in the next video. Thank you very much.